The FDD call function is used to call in a design off the floppy disk drive if you're calling in a design for the first time and not using the external input. The way the FDD call function works, you would bring the cursor down to FDD call using the up-down buttons. While the cursor is flashing on FDD call, press the set button. It will then show a display of all the designs that are on that particular disk. It will then bring up the name of all the designs that are on this particular disk. We then, using the up-down controls, bring the cursor down to the design we wish to sew, press the set button. It will ask for an empty room number. This is a memory location. It automatically defaults to the earliest room available. I'm going to press set to accept that room number. And now it is reading the embroidery design. Depending on the size of your file, this may take from a few seconds up to almost a minute if it's a very large file. After reading the file, it goes into design conversion. What the machine is actually doing is putting the file into a format that this particular embroidery machine prefers to read. Sometimes it makes some changes to some jump stitches. It may add a few stitches or delete a few stitches. So when you see the stitch count, don't be alarmed because the machine is just maximizing the file to run on the machine. When the display comes back showing the names of the files again, we press the previous button. At this point in time, we can go into basic settings and needle settings. These two functions will be covered throughout the training video in more depth. Once we've set these buttons, we would press the previous button. Your design is now ready to be sewn.